Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit zoom in and zoom out in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already imported the video that we will use in this tutorial. Now let's add the video to the timeline. So if you want to zoom in on the entire video, just add the first keyframe at the start. Just right-click on this icon, transform, then go to the end of the video and increase the scale as you want. I'm going to do 120. And let's play the video. You can also add more depth to the keyframe by right-clicking on the mouse and then clicking on Show Keyframe Animations, and you will get 3 options, but you need to choose the middle one, Auto Curve, which means the Capcut automatically adjusts. Now we are going to zoom out the video. So I have cut the video into 2 parts. The first part is the zoom in, and second will be zoom out. So add a keyframe at the start. You can see the scale is 120 right now. Then go to the end of the video, add the keyframe, and do the scale to 100. Now let's play the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
That's how you can zoom in and zoom out in Capcut PC. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.